Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so we want to construct a truth table for P if and only if Q, if and only if Q, if and only S. So we just construct this as this, and I'll just walk us through this. So P if and only if Q, so true if and only if true, so that's true. True if and only if true, so true, true, true. So basically, this is only false if one of them is different, or if they're not the same thing. So true and false is not the same. So this is false. This is false, 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 false. So false and false, so they're the same thing. So this is true. This is true. True and true. So now R if and only S. So we do the same thing. So true if and only if true, so that's true. True if and only if false, so that's false. This will be false. False if and only if false, so that's true. True and true, true and false, so that's false. False and true, so false. False and false would be true. True and true would be true. True and false would be false. False and true, false. False and false, true. True and true, so that's true. True, false, 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 true, false, false and false, so that's true. So now we have to compare this column and this column. So true if and only if true, so that's going to be true. True if and only if false, so false, false. True, false, so false. True and true, so it's true. False and true, false, false and false. True, false and false. True, false and true, so that's false, false and true, false, false and false. True, false and false, true, false and true would be false. True and true would be false. True and false would be false. True and false would be false. True and true would be true.